Hello, good day. You're welcome to my channel once again. And this beloved day, I'm going to be showing you how to import fonts, different fonts in PixelLab. So the first thing that you must look out for is you must have downloaded your fonts. Yeah, you must have downloaded the fonts that you want to import, and there are different sites so you can get all of these fonts. You can get some at the fonts, Google Fonts, and many other places that you can get them. So every font that you download, it will always download sometimes as a TTF files on your phone, and sometimes it may be in folder, and that is why you need the Z archiver. Here is the Z archiver over here. So you need the Z archiver also, just in case the files are in zip files. You have to unzip it and choose a folder. So let's move straight to PixelLab. So in PixelLab, there are different ways you can upload fonts depending on what you are trying to work with. If the font is a single font, maybe you download a single font from the fonts or Google Fonts and many other sites online. Just search Google, you will see different sites that offer you fonts that you can download for free. So after you've downloaded these fonts, now when it has to do with the importation, you come to your text. Let's select this text for example now. So you want to import a text, you come to fonts. You want to import a font, rather you click on fonts. And now when you click on fonts now, these are the fonts that are on your PixelLab, depending on the type of PixelLab that you're using. But for mine, it has many different types, many different types of PixelLab that you can use. And if you need that, you can comment hi and just paste me your mail, and I'm going to send it to you directly so that you can also have access to this kind of fonts also. So you go to my fonts, and now if you check over here, can you see where I circled there? Let me change the color so that it can be more bold for you to see over here. So now there are two ways you can import fonts in PixelLab. You either import the fonts individually, that is, if you download a single font online and you want to import that font, you click the first icon, which is this. That is what you are going to import, a singular font. That is, you just download a random font that you love and you want to import it, you want to make use of it. This is what you are going to click. But if you want to, for example, if you observe this place now, up here, you will see something different. You have storage, emulated, sender, folder, copy of fonts. I imported these fonts as a folder. I imported them as a folder, and let me scroll down again. I think I imported two different sets of fonts using different folders. I'm going to show you another one. Where's this guy? Okay, now if you observe, if you check up now, the fonts, what it was showing there before has changed. Do you see that? It has changed to 500 PixelLab fonts by Tech Accents. I think this is one of the things I got from one of my boxes when I was learning this whole thing. So you get this font also. If you need these fonts, you can comment in the section box and I'm going to send it directly to you. So all of these fonts, I imported them through folders. I imported them by folders. So there's a particular font I downloaded recently. Now if you check up again, you will see that it has changed again to copy of fonts, pack, zip files. All of these ones again, they are different files again. Just observe here. You see that it has changed again. It has changed. And now if you come down a bit again, just be observant. You see what I'm trying to say. Now it has changed again. So all of these fonts that you are seeing from here, from this guy here, from what we have here, these are the fonts that I downloaded individually. I download them individually and I import them to PixelLab. So this is where it's going to show. You can see all of these fonts here. I download them individually, and some I imported them also. Because by the time you start, if you move down a bit also, if you check here again now, you see now, these are other sets of fonts that I imported through archiving them and importing them all at once. You see that now. So these are different ways. And now if you want to import, for example, I downloaded some fonts, and let's say you want to import the fonts. The first thing you do is you click on the T sign. It will take you to where the fonts are. Most times my fonts are in download, so you click on downloads. See now, it's going to show you as TTF files. You see them here. Then you just click. If it is only one you want to import, you click on that one. If you want to import all of this at once, you select them and you add selected. Then automatically it will start showing here. Can you see them here? Can you see them here? Sagita, Bobank, Fonts, Freenet, Clash, all of these things, it will show immediately. So that is how you import fonts using your test. Now if you want to import font, let me just add this before I round it up, it's getting long. If you want to import fonts using folders, that is just in case you might need this. If you need a all of these fonts that I've shown you so far, just comment in this section or comment section and let me know so that I will send it to you. And just in case I send it to you and you want to import it to your PixelLab, you click on the folder that has a plus. You click on the folder, and most of my fonts, they are in Zenda or fonts, Zenda. Some of them are in fonts as well, majorly Zenda. So you come to Zenda here, depending on where your own is going to be saved. So your own might be download. Then after, if your own at all is in download, when you want to archive it using Z Archiver, make sure you create a new folder. Create a new folder to import it. And I'm going to drop a video also on how to archive all of this, how to unzip all of these fonts at once. So most times here are my fonts. Where is it now? Folder, yeah. So these are the fonts that I have. You see them? You see them here. So instead of me selecting one after the other, I just select a file, add directory. Then every of these fonts will be added to my PixelLab. So that is basically how you import fonts to PixelLab. If you find this helpful and you need help also on how to import fonts, or you need some fonts and you want me to share with you, kindly comment in the comment section, kindly leave your response, and definitely I'm going to respond to you. Thank you.